Yep. And one aspect of I've heard a lot of people talk about is pricing. You know, how do you price your commercial? Do you give discounts on a tiered rate, that type of thing? With our payment system that we use, we run what's called double your money promotions. And so what we do is we either select all of our stores the last 3 days of the year or one store on a Wednesday. And we promote a week and a half ahead of time that at that store we will offer double your money. For every dollar our customers put into our kiosk, we will give them an extra dollar. We have a lot of our commercial people who drive all over so that they can come in and take advantage of this promotion. They never call us and say, look, I'm doing $1,500 a month with you. Is there any discount I can get? We've completely solved that problem because they get a 50% discount all the time because they take advantage of our promotion.
So last week, I was in one of the stores, Spring Forest. Roy is his name. He's in there all the time. He's a professional guy. He business owner, does a lot of different stuff. Well, he had told me that he had driven from Raleigh, North Carolina, all the way to Fayetteville the week before to put $5,100 bills in the validator to get $10,000 of value. So we match.
Who does not want
no limits.
$5,100?
And you may say, well,
your bill acceptor.
That makes no sense. Well, who doesn't want a customer to spend $5,000 with you? You know, so he goes and does that. You know, so we do commercial, we do wash, dry, fold, we do pickup and delivery. Imperium wash, dry, fold, pickup and delivery, another account that we work with. We provide the facility. He just rented a place right near our store in Wake Forest. He called me, 1,000 square feet he rented. He's not putting any machines, he just needed it for excess. I'm like, go get them, Dave. Do your thing, you know. So we're able to work together with different partners. So if you're in this room and you say, man, I can't get into the laundry business, maybe you can partner with somebody. And I wanted to ask that question. Who in here does wash, dry, fold, pickup, and delivery but doesn't own a laundromat? I know there was one I met earlier.
There's a few.
Couple?
A few. Yep.
That's great. That's great.
Yep. Have your own facility to be able to process it. Yep.
Yep. Eastern Funding's not going to repo her business. Right? or anybody, sorry, any of the lenders. Brian Grail, I love you. That's a shout out. All attention is good attention, Grail.